Thus, an article of incorporation may provide more than one purpose. Yes, an articles of incorporation may have more than one purpose provided that it is not contrary to law, it is capable of lawfully combined, and there is only one primary purpose. It is important to distinguish primary purpose from secondary purpose because the stockholder has the right to expect that the funds and assets of the corporation are devoted primarily to the attainment of its primary purpose. The investment and asset disbursement for the secondary purpose requires board approval. The majority of the board, together with the stockholders, two-thirds outstanding stock, may allow such disbursement to the secondary purpose of the corporation.